of Aquarius. So watch this video if you're an Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind that this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If you do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, link in the description. The energies can be vice versa. So I think that's like a common sense thing when you watch a tarot reading, right? All right, let's say sometimes I speak bad words. If you're very sensitive, click out. Bye-bye. And if you're still here, then let's see what's up. Aquarius for love, 1st to the 15th of November 2020. All right, give me a message for Aquarius, 1st to the 15th of November 2020, please. So 7 of Pentacles, there's a waiting period going on. What are you waiting for? I think you think that you have done your part and now you're just waiting for a result. Some of you, if you were manifesting something, it's going to happen very soon. Knight of Wands, okay. Passion. Some of you might be connecting with an earth sign, a fire sign, and 2 of Pentacles. I was sensing this right from the get-go. When I was shuffling, I saw 2 of Wands and now I see 2 of Pentacles. Okay, I definitely sense a third-party situation here, or I sense choices. So maybe right now you're not in a very committed relationship and now it's about choices. Maybe you have choices, or you're dealing with someone who keeps you as an option with the other person. And maybe you're waiting to get a clarity because this person, okay, whatever you're dealing with right now is not committal for sure, okay? I won't say that, oh my God, it's commitment. Oh my God, you're gonna end up with this person. I think right now you're dealing with someone who keeps you like an option, and I mean they are not very sure about you. They are not very straight, like they are not very sure that they are going to end up with you in something like that, and you know about it. So there is an option in the situation and you're aware that somebody is having option, or maybe you are having option and the other person is aware, okay? And right now this looks like a lot of passion. So this looks to me like a friends with benefit, a sex only situation, or maybe a lot of sex and not much emotions. All right, again, see, Page of Wands in the Sun card. So a lot of passion. I'm not sensing negativity here, but it's like it's not committal, it's not long term. It's about passion, it's about having fun, it's about going out, it's about exploring. If you're not one of those people, then stay out, because that's what you're attracting right now. Okay, what else for Aquarius in love, please? What else is coming through? Okay, 5 of Swords. Some sort of cheating might have happened. Maybe you feel cheated. Maybe this person was promising a lot initially when you started, but then now this person is like, I'm not sure, let me see, we'll see it later, and etc. And you feel cheated by the situation because you feel like, but we started with so much of commitment, and why are you like flipping right now? And this person be like, I'm not sure. So you somehow feel cheated. You feel that this person is doing cheating with you, they're lying to you. But I think this person was all about fun right from the beginning. It was all about fun. So maybe you misinterpreted it for commitment, but this person is just showing their true color and you are surprised now. Hanged Man. I think your relationship has come to a standstill with this person, especially if it's another air sign, fire sign, or Cancer very strongly. Things have come to a standstill because of this instability, this up and down in the connection. You are having second thoughts about this person now. Seems like one person caught feelings in a friends with benefit situation and the other person did not. And now this connection has come to a standstill. That's the problem with today's generation. They just get into a relationship first and then they think about commitment later on, you know. 6 of Swords. I can definitely sense you feel cheated here, and it's like you're just picking up the broken pieces and you're moving on because this person is not giving you commitment. So you're trying to move on swiftly and gradually. So this person's intentions towards, see, 4 of Wands. Now here the 4 of Wands is coming with the 2 of Pentacles and the Hanged Man and the 6 of Swords. So this is not commitment and forever. You can see 2 women here. It's speaking about options. I can sense options. You're dealing with someone who has options, and the options have been exposed either, or you always knew that this person had options and you were one of them. And you thought during the process they will fall for you, but they did not. 6 of Wands. A lot of people involved in the connection. A lot of people involved. This person might be talking to someone else and maybe you found out, because 6 of Wands is like communication. I also see 8 of Wands, and we have 3 of Cups. So I think some of you, this person was chatting with someone, or they were talking to someone on phone, and you saw that. You basically got exposed to the fact that this person was having a lot of other people in their life. Moon card, baby. Secrets have come out. What is this? What is this? Aquarius, you were definitely dealing with someone who was having a lot of other people in the picture, or at least one more person. And now things have come to a standstill. And you know, this did not started with commitment, or at least one person was not committal right from the get-go. They were just pretending, and now the truth has come out that they were never serious. 3 of Pentacles. See, it's a freaking third-party situation. It's a straight case of third-party situation. 3 of Pentacles, 3 of Cups, the Moon card, 6 of Wands, 8 of Wands. Speaking, it's shouting to me third-party situation. And to be honest, this does not look like a third party. This looks more than that. So maybe 4, 5, 6 people, to be honest. Who are you dealing with? A porn star? Sorry. Like, they fuck with multiple people. Like this person here, your person is basically fucking with multiple people, and you will know about it soon if you haven't already. But I think you have already known about it. I'm not sure what it is. King of Cups. And the Lovers. Okay, in all of this, you might also have a Gemini or a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio that's interested in you. But what's the intention of this King of Cups? 9 of Swords. Yeah, I mean, I can see emotions being manipulated here. So it's like somebody showed to you that they had a lot of emotions. And you know, it's like one of those connections which feel perfect, but then later on you get exposed to it, and then you'll be like, oh my god, this person was lying from the beginning. How could I never get to know about it? You definitely feel fucked right now. 9 of Swords. You definitely feel fucked. And I see options, like options. Queen of Pentacles. If you're dealing, somebody might also be doing some black magic here. I think. With the Moon and the Queen of Pentacles, I see someone is doing something here. Like a black magic thing or something. So what else? So this looks very, very messed. But what else is coming towards Aquarius and love? Next. So with the past person, this looks very messed. A lot of options and etc. 5 of Cups, regret, emotions. What did you get yourself into, Aquarius? There's regret here. Somebody regrets. Somebody is mindfucked over you. Somebody cannot sleep. They regret whatever they did to you. They're having sleepless nights over you. 2 of Cups and the 2 of Wands. See, I can definitely sense somebody chose someone over you. And they regret it. They regret this big time. Someone chose someone over you. They blocked you. And now they regret. So this person's next action towards my Aqua. 7 of Cups. They're still a fuckboy-centric situation, and the Death card. To be very honest, if you're waiting for someone, if you're basically waiting for a fuckboy to catch feelings, it's not gonna happen. Even if they come back, they will show to you otherwise that they have changed and etc. But this person is not changing their ways. It's like they still have a lot of options. They will always be having a lot of options, and it's gonna get messy. Some of you, it's a Scorpio. It can be anybody. Cancer. Okay, anything else? Any advice for the Aqua? So you are being asked to 4 of Swords. Yeah, that's the advice. Like, do not become a part of drama. Like, and the 5 of Wands. Just separate yourself and see. So we have 5 of Wands, 4 of Swords, 10 of Wands, and the 5 of Pentacles. I sense that you've gotten yourself into a connection with someone who's full of drama and shit. You need to step back. The crackers in the background, ignore, guys. So you need to step back, remove yourself from any sort of drama. If you're trying to bend over backwards to make a situation work with someone, see, this is going to lead into disappointment. So don't do it. Like, love should not feel like a burden, and some of you, the love situation you are in feels like a burden. It's draining you emotionally, mentally, financially. There's a lot of drama, there's a lot of conflict. Walk out of it. Walk out of it dignified, okay? Don't try to beg someone to stay in your life. It's not gonna work. You know, like when you're going through a separation and you try to beg someone thinking that the connection will work, you lose both the person and the self-respect. But if you at least walk out dignified, you only lose the person, which is not a loss anyway, you know? It's like someone does not want you, so it's okay. All right. So I definitely sense if you're trying to work a situation out with someone from the past, it's not gonna work, because this person is full of shit. They might come back, but then they will not stay. So what's the point? Deception. They haven't changed their ways. Ooh, all right. So give me a card for Aquarius, please. Forgiving and learning. Yeah. Just I sense that if somebody did nasty to you, they are regretting it, and they might ask for forgiveness and a second chance. Forgive them or not, that's your choice, but move on. Don't get yourself into drama with the person. And if somebody tries to drag you in some sort of drama, just let it go. Healing family issues. Somebody definitely wants to heal it with you. I think you have a child with this person as well, and the child is becoming a major reason for reconciliation. Just see how it works for you. Somebody will try to heal the situation with you. Somebody's definitely here to work it out with you. They want to make an effort, but if it's a lot of drama, then let it go. Like, what's the point? Or at least wait for this person to show a change. Knight of Pentacles. Don't try to rush a situation. Take your time. It's asking you to freaking take your time, because you're trying to rush a situation. It's not gonna help. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.